In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Nano Banana. Two ways: Gemini/Google AI Studio. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, using either the Google Gemini site or Google AI Studio, so you can get Nano Banana up and running quickly. Let's start with the Gemini route. Open your browser and head to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. In the results, pick the official Google Gemini site. You'll recognize it by the trusted Google domain and branding, which is always a good habit to check before you proceed. Once you're on the Gemini page, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this button is what activates Nano Banana behind the scenes. After you click, give it a moment to load. You should see the image creation interface come to life, and that's your signal that Nano Banana is engaged. If you don't see the Create Image option right away, don't worry. Availability can vary by region or account, and the interface sometimes updates. Make sure you're on the official site, that you're signed in to your Google account, and refresh the page if needed. Also, keep your browser current for the smoothest experience. When the image panel appears, you're good to go. That's the first way. Now for the second way, which is through Google AI Studio. From your browser, search for Google AI Studio, and select the official AI Studio site from Google. Once you're inside, look for the option labeled Try Nano Banana Pro. Clicking that takes you straight into the Nano Banana experience within AI Studio. This route is handy if you prefer a workspace that's designed for experimenting with AI tools and features all in one place. If the layout looks a bit different than what you expect, scan the page for similar wording. Google sometimes updates the labels, but the entry point remains easy to spot. Both approaches lead to the same destination: Nano Banana, accessible either via Gemini's Create Image button or via the Try Nano Banana Pro entry point in AI Studio. If something doesn't load, a quick refresh or checking for site updates can help. And as a best practice, stick to official Google domains to avoid phishing or lookalike pages. That's it. Two straightforward paths to access Nano Banana. Choose the one that fits your workflow: Gemini for a quick start, or AI Studio if you want a more tool-rich environment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring what Nano Banana can do.